Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you update iOS 18 in your iPhone, no matter which types of iPhone you have. In this video, we will see one of the best camera settings. Currently, I'm using iPhone 15 Pro Max, so you can accordingly adjust which model you are using and enjoy this camera setting, one of the iconic. So now let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So now let's start demonstration. This is my iPhone. First of all, you need to enter here the setting and you need to update your iOS 18. Currently I updated iOS 18 and then go back here. And first of all, we can see here in the camera related features. If I start the recording for the video, so look at this. Inside this video, one features they are introducing, and that one is a pause video and resume the video in same position. That is a really amazing features they are introducing. This feature already available on Android, but now they are introducing freely and you can very easily access those features. Now we can go back here, our camera setting, enter the setting, go back and search here the camera. Here is the camera, so we can see one by one. First of all, if I enter here the camera video recording, so here bunch of options are available. One more interesting options, always I select here 4K at 30 frame per second. If you record like a 4K 30 frame per second, now I am recording this video, look at this. Okay, perfectly. If I close this one and if I open this video, press here 3 lines, and then after here the top of the screen one clockwise logo is display here. If you press here, so if you record this video 60 frame per second, you can decrease this one 30 frame per second and use. Always record 60 frame per second, so you have one of the option, you can decrease this one 30 frame per second and use your content creation. Go back again setting, so always use 4K at 60 frame per second and high efficiency. You enable stabilization, always enable action mode and HDR video high efficiency. If you go with HDR video high efficiency, of course you are going this one. Here auto, look at this here, auto frame per second. So if you select here 30 frame per second, so you are not receiving like a 15 frame per second. If you select this one auto 30 frame per second and 60 frame per second, so you can increase and decrease your frame rate. So always select auto 30 and 60 frame per second. Lock white balance always enable, so this setting is perfectly fine. Go back here, slow motion recording. As a slow motion recording point of view, I always use high efficiency 1080 HD to 240 frame per second, so I always prefer this one. And back here, record cinematic. So record cinematic, so you have here bunch of options here, like look at this here PAL. So first of all, we enter here PAL. So show PAL format, because of some of the country the format, especially in television, so that's why you enable this one. I always prefer 4K at 30 frame per second, so select best one. And record sound first. Previously they are introducing stereo and mono, but now they allowing audio playback. So this features, you if is disabled, you definitely go to enable and then use. Format point of view, you choose most high efficiency or most compatibility. So we go with here most compatibility. Here photo mode, if mobile are providing you 24 megapixels, so why we are not selecting this one. Pro, raw and resolution control always on. And here, so we can go here JPG max up to 48 megapixel. Go back. Apple Pro Reel always on. This features, because of this one is very important. If you enable this one pre-roll encoding, so you always select here log format. Go back. Now I just simply enter here preserve setting, and here I on all features, not off any one. All features are very important here. I always on everything from this tab, and here volume up to brush I on. QR code, of course we need QR code scanning. Show detection text, grade, level, mirror front camera, view outside the frame, and photography style. So here photography style, which one you want like, but I mostly like in vibrant photography style, so I use this one. You can choose as per your requirement. Main camera, so here three types of camera they are providing: 28mm, 35mm. so I go with here default 24 because of the starting of 24 and ending of the 35mm. If you want go with here at least 24 or 35, so I select here 35mm. Lens correction you always on, wide, ultra wide capturing the photo, and micro control also enable. So this is one of the best camera setting for iPhone 15 Pro Max in iOS 18. You can choose accordingly for different model. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.